All right, let's talk about Jasper AI. I'm going to give you some pros, cons. Is this a good platform for you or not? So you can make the decision of whether to use it and what all the good and the bad and the ugly are about it. And then we're going to talk about some possible alternatives for you as well. So basically, Jasper AI is a suite of AI agents that you can use for you and your teams for marketing to run end-to-end marketing workflows, and be able to basically have all your assets in one place. So let's dive into some pros and cons of this platform to give you a really good overview of it. So first, let's dive into the pros. So brand voice consistency. So it trains on your samples and style guides so every output stays on brand across the whole team. So this is probably its standout feature, one of the most beneficial features of it. It's fast, high quality marketing copy, so solid first drafts 2 to 5 times faster, especially strong on ads, emails, and product descriptions. 100 plus marketing agents and templates, purpose-built agents plus 50 plus templates for blogs, ads, emails, landing pages, SEO, and GEO workflows. There's team and enterprise features, so you can do collaboration, workspace, roles, SSO, admin controls, built for agencies and in-house teams at scale. There's integrations and multi-model, so it integrates with Chrome, Zapier, Surfer SEO, image generation, editing in one platform. So there are integrations if you have some of these other tools that you use and want to integrate with. So it really just depends what you have. Enterprise grade trust. So basically the biggest thing is they never train AI models on your data. So it is definitely more private. Let's dive into some of the cons, some of the things that people are not as happy about when it comes to the platform. These are coming from users, not the platform itself, of course, because we want to make sure that these are accurate. It's expensive versus competitors. So they charge per seat, so far above like if you use ChatGPT or Copy AI. So if you're not using this that much, it's kind of overkill, and you may not want to pay that. It still needs human editing, so outputs aren't published ready. One test clocked 52 minutes of editing per article for accuracy and AI detection. That's a lot of extra manual work. Weaker on long form and technical SEO, so this can get repetitive and lags on technical, niche, and factual in-depth topics. So if you're doing long form stuff, structured stuff, it's not as good. Hidden add-on costs, so native SEO is limited. Adding Surfer SEO, $69 a month, pushes a real pro plus SEO setup cost past $138. So yeah, in order to get some of the SEO components, you have to plug in with other SEO tools. There's a learning curve, and it's very prompt dependent. So there's feature rich. So basically, if you're a beginner, there is more of a learning curve. It's not a great out of the box solution, but long term, they're saying the setup could pay off, but you got to learn how to use the platform. There's no free plan, and there's an annual lock-in. So those are the pros. Those are the cons. So they're basically saying this is good for marketing teams and agencies producing high volume. But if you're like a solopreneur or a casual writer, this may not be as beneficial for you. So let's talk about some alternatives to Jasper AI if you're trying to grow your business, especially for like traffic and SEO and rank. A good platform to use, I would suggest using Arvow because it has a lot of the built-in tools that Jasper is missing for content creation for SEO. So as a quick run through, you can do SEO articles here. And these are technical SEO articles. These are long form, whereas Jasper doesn't excel at this. Arvow does, because you can add in all of your brand assets, all of your brand voice and tone to create your articles. And then you can do SEO articles on keywords. It'll add it. You can add a title, or it'll do one for you. You can also do news articles to capitalize on trending stories, and it'll recreate them, add in sources for your niche for keywords. And then you can do YouTube articles from YouTube videos, either your own or someone else's. Viral, it'll embed them, give them credit. But here is what's nice about Arvow is you can go in here and add all of your brand assets. So you can do your content, language, knowledge base. You can add case studies, website, anything you want to give it here to include and use when it's writing articles. You can format it a certain way. You can structure it with a call to action, give key takeaways, conclusions, FAQs. These are really good for AI overviews, AI citations. You can give it your sitemap so it'll link all the pages together. You can give it your own images or it'll create them for you. You can add your own YouTube or it'll add a relevant YouTube video if you want. And then when it generates the articles, it's going to have all of the structure that is necessary for that Google wants, that the AIs want. You can see here's one of the articles we went into the back end of it. You can see meta description, alt text on the images, featured images, H2s, H3s, internal link, external links, images with alt text, an embedded YouTube video. And then you can revise this too. You can use their built-in AI. If you want to revise this, you can. You can ask it to rewrite, add keywords. You can use the AI assistant over here to revise it. And you can set this up as an auto blog. So I can go in here, basically do planned auto blog, give it a feed. So it'll ask you for a feed. You can do keyword feed, RSS feed, YouTube feed, or news feed. And then it'll generate the articles based on that feed. And you can do the frequency, multiple times a day, weekly, monthly, whatever you guys want to do. And you can integrate with any website. So really easily integrate with any of the website. And out of the box, this is very easy to use. Literally, you can come in here and use it right away. Go in here, boom, put a keyword, generate an article. Add your brand assets. It's very little learning curve, which is nice. The other tools in here from an SEO standpoint that are really, really good that you get with this are a site optimizer. You can analyze your entire website and tweak it for SEO improvement. So it'll analyze all this stuff here, meta descriptions, meta titles, chronological URLs, image alt text, internal links, FAQ schema, article schema. It tells you what you have, what to fix it to, and then it tells you why you should fix it to that. And then you can apply the change. You can also click to apply all the changes at once. So just in a couple of clicks, you can audit and edit your entire SEO, the entire SEO of your website, and improve it from a technical aspect, which is really good. Automatic backlinks. This is next level. You can enter your website here and get entered in the backlink pool. So it's a big pool, thousands and thousands of users of Arvow. When you or someone else creates a piece of content, it goes and looks at the backlink pool and it finds, okay, are there any relevant backlinks that I can apply in this article? If it finds any, it'll put them as an external link in the article for you or other people. Most businesses using this are getting like 1 to 5 backlinks per day. If they are regularly producing content, well, it doesn't matter if you're producing content or not because other people are producing content. So that's where the backlinks come into play. So this is next level to get backlinks like that easily, because backlinks and high quality backlinks are really hard to get, and this will do it for you. LLM brand monitor. This is really cool. You can add your website in here and monitor your how you're showing up across LLMs. It gives you a visibility score, a sentiment score, and then it gives you a list of prompts here. Now you can add your own prompts, but it'll out of the box give you a list of prompts that are good, and you can monitor it. And then you can kind of see the visibility. And then if your visibility is low, you can literally go in here and create content on the visibility, right? And improve the visibility. You can see how you're showing up across different LLMs in terms of the visibility. And so that's really good to monitor. And finally, the Site Explorer. This is like Ahrefs. You can explore all of these, like any website, see the traffic, page traffic for yourself or other competitors. So lots of really great tools for SEO. So a link to this is below if you want to use this as an alternative to Jasper, if you think this is a better fit for you. Really, really fantastic tool. I'm using this for my businesses and a lot of my clients' businesses, and we're seeing a lot of improvement as far as AI citations, traffic growth, ranking, all of the things that are really important to businesses. So hopefully it helps you guys out. Check this other video out for more SEO tips and tricks and tactics. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.